sa iyong opisyal na pagpasok bilang bagong kaanib ng ating dakilang kapatiran, ang Agila, ang The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Incorporated, bigkis ng strong brotherhood.
Mabuhay kayong lahat ng ating mga bagong kasapi! Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay! Today marks not just your induction into an organization, but your commitment to a noble cause by choosing to become part of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
Ang pagiging isang Agila ay hindi lamang sa pangalan. Ito ay sa gawa. Tayo ay kilala sa ating matalas na paningin, tapang at katatagan.
By virtue of our vested autonomy as the Regional Governor of CCR9, this induction or additional members of Bacoor Elite Patriot Eagles Club, Cavite Prime Elite Eagles Club, Island Maharlikan Eagles Club, International Diplomat Elite Eagles Club, Maharlikans Elite Eagles Club, Navigators Elite Eagles Club, United Supreme Elite Eagles Club, Bacoor Elite Patriot Lady Eagles Club, International Diplomat Elite Lady Eagles Club, and the United Supreme Elite Lady Eagles Club is now called to order.
Eagle members must develop a deep sense of strong brotherhood among every Eagle member.
This is not the end, but only the beginning of a long journey of being an Eagle. Let us continue to elevate the spirit of true Eagles and make a lasting impact in our beloved clubs, regions, and the national fraternity.
Kung susundin lang natin ang ating constitution and bylaws, we will become a good Eagle member.
Sa lahat ng kapatid naming Agila sa Calabarzon, Cavite Region 9, mga kuya, ate, bunso, and friends of Eagles,
Magtaguyod ng pagkakaisa at magsilbing ilaw ng pag-asa sa kapwa.
Let's soar higher together. Walang imposible kung nagkakaisa ang bawat puso't kamay ng mga Agila. Mabuhay ang Agila!